Welcome to our exploration of global cities, urban centers that serve as pivotal nodes in the interconnected world economy. These cities, such as New York, London, and Tokyo, are characterized by their significant influence on finance, culture, and politics. They attract talent and investment, shaping global trends while facing challenges like inequality and environmental sustainability. Join us as we delve into defining features of global cities. Challenges faced by global city are environmental threats and lack of resources. Environmental threats refer to harmful effects caused by human activities on the natural world, including climate change, which leads to extreme weather patterns and rising sea levels, and deforestation, resulting in loss of biodiversity and increased carbon emissions. Pollution, both air and water, poses significant threats to ecosystem and human health. Lack of resources, such as water, food, and energy, can lead to increased competition and conflict among populations. Here are some issues in New York. First is high cost of living. New Yorkers face inflated prices for housing and basic goods, with median rents significantly above the national average, leading to increased poverty and homelessness. Second is environmental challenges. Pollution and environmental injustice, particularly in low-income neighborhoods, continue to be significant concerns, like flooding, tropical cyclone, heat waves, and epidemic. Let's go in Tokyo. First issues in Tokyo is housing crisis. Housing crisis is overcrowded living conditions are common, with some areas housing over 20,000 people per square kilometer. Many residents share multi-story public housing, leading to cramped living spaces. Second is pollution. Air and water pollution from industrial waste and traffic congestions are major concerns impacting public health. Lastly is London. First issues in London is economic strain. Local councils are facing financial difficulties, with some on the brink of bankruptcy due to escalating homelessness cost projected to reach 450 million in 2023 and 2024. The economic divide between the global north and the global south is characterized by several key differences. First is the north is generally wealthier, more developed, and has higher incomes compared to the south. The south is poorer, less developed, and more dependent on primary sector exports. Second is the growth rates in the south have been lower than the 6% target set by the UN Second Development Decade Strategy, with the less developed countries faring worse. Disparities and widening between the north and the south as well as within the south. Third is the South's current account deficits remain high, with much of it financed commercial borrowing, leading to a serious debt problem. The North's economies are more diversified and able to export technologically advanced manufactured goods. Fourth is the South lacks the right technology, is politically unstable, has divided economies, and its foreign exchange earnings depend on volatile primary product exports. The North controls most of the world's manufacturing and income. However, there are also some similarities. First, both the North and South are affected by global economic trends like the oil crisis and currency instability. Second, there is a need for the North and South to cooperate to address economic imbalances and establish a new international economic order. Lastly, globalization has challenged the traditional North and South divide, with some emerging economies in the South gaining ground and the North becoming more decentralized. But inequality between the North and the South remains high. So, while the North and the South share some common economic challenges, the South faces more severe development problems stemming from its colonial legacy, lack of technology, political instability, and dependence on primary exports. Bridging this divide remains a key international priority.